What's up, guys? It's your girl Barbie and I'm back with another drinking video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a video. So today I'm going to be making a caramel apple Hennessy drink. It's a frozen drink. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I made caramel apple jello shots and I'll link it below, above here. Make sure you guys go ahead and watch that. If you are interested, keep watching so you can learn how to make this drink. And now that we got that out of the way, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. And let's see, get this video to 100 likes for another video tomorrow. I think we can do that, ladies. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients that you guys will need is, of course, your Henny. And this is Smirnoff, but any caramel flavored vodka would be fine. And I try to keep it like the same. So this is also Smirnoff, but this is in green apple. But you could use the Ciroc, whatever you find, but keep it the green apple flavor. Of course, you're gonna need the syrup. And thank God, I've been looking for these for so long. And I was kind of worried because I thought I was gonna have to order them on Amazon. But my girlfriend just told me that they had them like 30 minutes away from where I live. So I went and bought the whole box. But yeah, so you need the green apple Kool-Aid flavor. Make sure you have the Kool-Aid flavor. And I know I've seen like the container of it that has already the sugar and stuff in it, but I couldn't find that. So I have sugar here to add to it. And you will need the green food coloring for like dye, just because if once you do it all together, especially with the Hennessy, it'll come to like a dookie brown. You don't want that. You want it to be green. So you're gonna have to put a few drops of green food coloring. Of course, you need some cups. I have these toothpicks. You need an apple. I have a straw just so I could taste it without, you know, putting the spoon back in. And of course, you're gonna need some ice. And I have the shot glasses so I can measure. I also have a little bit of water so I can add to it. So let's get this ball rolling. So I already put some ice in here, and I do plan on making several cups. So you want to fill up your blender with ice. And I think I'm gonna put 2 packets in, just because I'm gonna make like 4 drinks, I think. So I'm putting in 2 packets of the Kool-Aid. And I'm gonna put some sugar. And I'm just gonna put a little, of course, it's up to you how sweet you want it. And then I'm gonna start with the alcohol. So because I have 5 cups here, so I'm going to put several shots of each. This is the green apple Smirnoff. I'll probably put like 4 or 5 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'll do 5 since I have 5 cups. So it's 1 shot for each cup. And next, I will do the Smirnoff in caramel. And again, I'll do 5 since I'm making 5. I hope I can make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you are like me and you are an alcoholic, not really, you might want to put an extra. And then I could tell I'm gonna need more ice because I like mine thick, just like me or whatever. I am the one. And here's some Henny. These are gonna be strong. 2, 3. I think I'm gonna do 4 shots of Henny. Okay. And I'm actually not gonna put any more water. Okay, so I had to add some more ice. And now I'm going to put a few drops of the green food coloring so that we get it the right color. And now I will go ahead and blend it. This is going to be very strong. As you could see, we have like 3 different alcohol, what, 15, 14 shots? Now this color is like the perfect color. This is the color you want it. Of course, it's totally up to you, but this is the color I was expecting it to be. A lot of people do ask me what blender I have. This is the Vitamix. It's a very good blender. It's pretty expensive, but I'm going to just taste this just to see. Very strong, very strong. To my liking, I want it a little bit sweeter, so I'm going to add a little bit more sugar. Matter of fact, I'll just use it all. And I did use a whole cup. And I'm going to blend it again. With this spoon. Whoa. You see I love, like, I don't like it liquidy. I like it to be frozen. So I'm going to try this. Very strong. I don't know if I want to put a little bit more sugar in it or what. So I decided to add a little bit more sugar. I don't know about you guys, but I like sweet stuff. Okay. So I think I ended up having like a cup and a half of sugar. That's where it's at. That's like perfect, guys, perfect. So, 1.5 cups of sugar is what I just did. And now what I'm going to do, if you guys can see, I'm going to start cutting my apple. And you just need to cut them in small slices. Okay, and like with that, I'm just gonna show you, I'm gonna show you guys one. And then I get a toothpick, and then I just put them on here. Doesn't really matter how many you put, whatever you wanna put. I think I'll put 3. And then I'll put these over for the other ones. And then with your cup, you're going to caramelize it. Just pretty much spread it all over. And then this is the fun part. Get another spoon. Since I used that one, let me just, ooh, look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Yummy, yummy. Then you want to leave a little bit of space. Little bit of space so that you can put your apples in there. And then you want to top it off just like that. And there you have it, your caramel apple Hennessy drink. What do you guys think? Make sure you guys leave a comment. If you had it before, if you tried it and you like it, please let me know. I can't wait to drink it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. And again, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. Help us sister out. Love you guys. Bye-bye.